Hi, I'm Fernando and welcome to New Feature Friday. On this edition, we're going to highlight Cortex Scaffolder, a feature that is meant to take days of work into just minutes. In here, I'm going to create a new repository for Flask. So your company may have specific guidelines on how a new Flask app should be. In this case, we're only going to ask the engineer to provide us a name for the app. And that's it. From now, they can just simply watch the workflow run as it goes and not only scaffolds the new repository, but in this case, it's also going to do other things like create an S3 bucket, add it to Argo CD, etc., etc. The nice thing about the templating in the scaffolder is you choose what fields the user can fill out. So in this case, we fill out most of them for the user, so they don't have to do that. But as an example here, we can leave some for the user to fill out, right? The other thing about the scaffolder is that it also automatically will add it to the service catalog. So you don't have to chase people down to also make sure they're adding their things to the catalog. So in this case, if I'm part of Team C, I can go ahead and set my team as the owner. I don't have to do that later. I'm going to click Submit, and this will actually go ahead and create the repository for us, but also add the service into the catalog. So now it's part of the scorecards, engineering intelligence, and other features in Cortex. So as we see here, it's just simply going through the scaffolding process, and it's going ahead and create the application in Argo CD, added a Jira component, and at the end, I get links to the new repository, which is right here. And if we go back to Cortex, we can see that we also have a link to the new service that now is part of the catalog, and it's already being part of the scorecarding. The scorecarding process will start in just a minute. If you want to see Cortex in action or try for yourself, reach us out at cortex.io. Thank you.